Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights. Once you confirm you are signed in as an administrator, make quick notes of any static IP, DNS, or proxy entries so you can restore them later. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Status. This is where the reset flow begins. Make sure any important transfers finish first. Now, scroll to Network Reset at the bottom and tap it. This initiates the first automated step to remove adapters and restore defaults. Once you confirm the network reset prompt and click Reset, Windows will begin uninstalling network adapters and clearing custom settings. This is why you recorded static values. Your PC will restart automatically. Let it reboot fully. After reboot, Windows usually reinstalls drivers. If adapters remain missing, open Device Manager and scan for hardware changes or manually install drivers from the manufacturer. Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled and airplane mode is off so the adapters can reconnect. Once the system is back, reapply any static IP or DNS settings you saved, or choose DHCP to let the router assign addresses if you want simplicity. Test connectivity by pinging 88888 and opening a website to confirm name resolution works. If something fails, run the built-in network troubleshooter. It often finds common causes. If problems persist, reinstall the latest network drivers from the vendor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.